Hi loves, my name is Brianna and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my wash and go routine that helps me achieve bouncy curls for a whole week using only mousse and leave-in. So if you're also wanting to achieve the same look for your curls, let's just get right into this video. I'm starting with a slickback bun. I have been working on washing my hair every week or like a week and a half. So whenever I'm avoiding wash day, I love to put my hair into a slickback for a few days, but it's definitely time to get the curls back. I like to start by oiling my scalp and I'm using the Mielle rosemary mint oil. Oiling can provide many benefits, but the main reason I do it is due to my hair being stiff from all of the gel. I like to use oil to help loosen it up before detangling. Plus, the absolute best feeling is when you get to take out any type of tight style and really get to feel your scalp. Oh, I just love that, and it adds a little extra feeling of pampering to my routine, which otherwise would just feel daunting. Now to detangle, the unbrush has become my go-to for detangling. Since I'm only detangling about once a week, I usually have a lot of shedding, and this brush is super easy to clean after. The holes on the back just allow for product not to just sit in the brush, which I love, but I like to part my hair into about 8 sections, braiding each one when I'm finished. Since I have a ton of hair, it helps to quicken my wash process. I don't have as many fairy knots since those happen really easily, and I also can just get to my scalp. I used to never do a lot of pre-work before getting in the shower, but now that I've started doing this, I've cut down my shower routine from about an hour and a half to a little over 30 minutes, which is amazing. If you're watching this video, you probably already understand that wash day can just be so discouraging. I often am just staring at myself in the mirror, trying to motivate myself to get started. So this has really helped me to just quicken up the process and make it a little bit more enjoyable. But anyway, let's get into the wash. All of the products I will be using are from Mielle. This is not sponsored, but I just really enjoy their products. So everything I've been using recently is from them. Starting with the pomegranate honey shampoo, I like to double cleanse with this. For the first application, I usually only apply it to my roots while keeping my hair in the braids, and then for the second time I like to repeat, but with my hair free this time. This way I'm able to use my shampoo brush and really get to my roots. My shampoo brush is from Amazon, and I wish I would have made this investment sooner. I used to have a plastic one, but it used to scratch up my scalp. So this one has silicone bristles that don't hurt my scalp at all, and I'm also able to really just get the extra flakiness off. I get a lot of dandruff due to my eczema, so it really can be hard to get it off with just my fingers. I then like to follow up with the pomegranate honey conditioner. I absolutely love how much slip this conditioner has, because afterwards I usually go in with my tangle teaser to make sure that I really have no knots or anything in my hair. I then like to apply my rosemary mint strengthening hair mask. That is an absolute mouthful, but I don't know if this actually makes much of a difference since I'm not applying it individually, but I do like to apply it just to make sure that my hair is getting a little bit extra moisture and strength. That's something I struggle with, and I usually like to just let it sit there for about 15 to 20 minutes before washing it out. Now to style, I have a go-to wash day outfit now. It's all gray. I absolutely love this. It just helps to encourage me and push through wash day, especially when it gets to this part, because I just hate the feeling of like product sitting on my hands for a super long time and being all wrinkly. So this is what my hair looks fresh out of the shower. To style, I'm going to be using my tangle teaser as well as the pomegranate honey leave-in and mousse. Hopefully you can tell the difference on screen, but my scalp is now very clean and there's no more flaking. If you've noticed by now, I love to section. I do it a lot, so I'm going to be doing it again. I section in half first and then in fourths. Working in smaller sections just helped me to disperse the product evenly, as well as achieved very defined curls since I have so much hair like I mentioned. I start by applying the leave-in to the whole section and detangling to make sure that all the knots are out before applying the mousse. Then I follow up by parting smaller rows with my fingers so that I can define the curls with the mousse evenly. I love using mousse because it just allows for more definition without also weighing my hair down. But I usually apply like a pump or two to each section, and I usually just start by raking it through. But after my recent haircut appointment, my hairstylist taught me that sometimes it's better to apply more water than product, so I'm gonna start trying to do that. But for curls that need extra help, I like to just finger coil. This can be very time consuming though, so I usually try not to do it too often, but if the curls need some help, then I like to just boost them up a little bit. Then I just go ahead and repeat the same process all over my head. For drying, I use my Dyson Supersonic with the diffusing attachment. I was also taught that it's not good to let your hair air dry since that's what attracts the frizz, so it's better to lock it in with the heat. So I've started doing this even though it takes a good like 45 minutes to dry my whole head. There you have it. Very beautiful curls that last you for a whole week. So much bounce and volume. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, definitely give it a like and also subscribe for more hair content. Plus, comment down below what you use for your wash and goes. I would love to hear about your curly hair routine. But yeah, I'll see you in next week's video. Bye! Mwah.